How to use Lemlist tutorial for beginners. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Lemlist. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lemlist, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lemlist, it is a powerful cold email outreach tool that stands out for its deep personalization capabilities, in which the platform allows users to tailor not just the text, but also the images and videos within their rich emails, creating highly personalized experience for prospects. Lemlist also omnichannels approach embraces cold email, LinkedIn, and even cold calling strategies, making it an effective solution for businesses looking to scale their personalized outreach without losing their personal touch. And the platform also offers user-friendly interface and innovative personalization features. And now to start creating an account on Lemlist, just click the link below the description or the sign up for free button right here on the top right corner. And after signing in, you also need to enter here your company sizes. I'm going to enter here or select this one, which is 2 to 10. And after that, selecting it, the next thing that you need to do is simply enter here the teammate's email address to invite your team. Or you could also click the skip button below here to skip this part. And after that, just enter here your role with your individual contributor, team manager, director, or VP, C-level, and in those options, I'm going to choose team manager. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to answer the question, how many sales are you working in a company? After filling out all of the required information, you will be directed on this dashboard of Lemlist, in which you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here to create new campaign, dashboard, campaigns, reports, leads, templates, unsubscribe, and task. And as you can see under this dashboard, it will show you how you can set up your account, such as to add your LinkedIn account, create your first campaign, invite your team, and many more. However, to start creating a campaign on Lemlist, you could also click this create new campaign button on the left side panel, and it will show you in here that we can start building our campaign by manually filling out all of the required information in here. But for instance, I'm going to change the name of this campaign. Let's say I'm going to enter here team campaign, and below you could also choose to manually create a campaign, or you could click this create with AI. However, this option, I'm going to click or choose to manually create a campaign. And to do that, the first thing that we need to do is to click this automatic step, such as firstly this email, or to send automatic email. And as you can see here on the right side panel, the first sequence is to enter here the subject email and also the content of your email. And from here, as you can see, I just enter here a subject and also content below here. But you could also add a personalization if you want to. But basically, this email will allow you to automatically send emails to your leads as part of your campaign sequence. So you can customize the email content, subject line, sender, and scheduling. Clicking this plus button below, we can add another sequence, which is this chat message, which will be sent on LinkedIn. So basically, from here, you're gonna add a message, and what message do you want to send, and even add a personalization if you want to. From here, you also need to select the sender. Let's say I'm going to choose my account. And for the message, you could also add here your personal message depending on your preferences. And we could also force a specific sender for this step if you want to. Now moving on below here, just enter the message or add a personalization if you want to. You could also add here a booking link depending on your preferences, or even ask AI. You can ask AI to improve your text, fix grammar, make shorter, and many more. So basically from here, by combining personalized LinkedIn messages with email outreach in a single Lemlist campaign, you can create seamless multi-channel experience that boosts your chances of getting replies and meetings. And now for the next sequence or step of this, by clicking this plus button, we can also add here voice messages. By clicking this one, from here, it will show you on the right side panel that you can automatically record and send personalized voice messages to your leads on LinkedIn. But make sure that you also select here the sender, and I'm going to click or choose my account in here. And below, you could also add voicemail or voice message if you want to, with a maximum of 1 minute. And if not connected on LinkedIn, you could also send an invite with this message in here. So you can basically add your personalized message if you want to. Clicking this add personalization, from here you could add first name with the greetings in the beginning, which is hi. And also, you could add here your another personalization such as last name, company name, and even icebreaker, and even LinkedIn URL. So basically, by using this voice message, you can save time by automating the process instead of manually recording and sending each message. and it can centralize your outreach efforts in one platform instead of switching between LinkedIn mobile and desktop. And aside from that, as you can see here, between each sequence, you could also add here a wait. Depending on the number of days you want, by clicking this one, you could choose to add the days such as wait for 2 days and many more. Now moving on to add more sequence, by clicking this last button, we can add here an invitation which will be sent via LinkedIn, in which it will allow you to automatically send a connection request to your leads on LinkedIn. And as you can see on the right side panel, you could also customize the connection request message to make it relevant and valuable for each prospect. Below these messages, you could also add here a personalization. You can use their name, mention something from their profile, and explain why you want to connect. So basically, by combining personalized LinkedIn connection requests and messages with email outreach in a Lemlist campaign, you can create an effective multi-channel outreach strategy to boost engagement and replies. Now moving on in creating a campaign, we can add here another sequence, which is this kind of visit profile on LinkedIn, in which from here, this will allow you to automatically visit a prospect's LinkedIn profile as part of your outreach. And now for the last step, which is to add this kind of email. By clicking this email, you'll be able to see here that we can also customize some other email, such as the subject, and also write the email content below here. So basically, by following some of the sequence, you can efficiently set up a multi-channel outreach campaign in Lemlist that combines personalized emails with automated LinkedIn actions to drive better results, and add other kind of personalization and custom variables in here. Aside from that, on this email, you could also add here a link and other text and many more. Well, aside from the step, you could also add a condition by clicking this last button and click this condition option. You can add here a lead information, a lead actions, and many more, such as to open email, click on link in email, accepted invite, and many more. And now from here to proceed, just click this next step on the top right corner, in which by clicking on it, all we need to do is simply add here a list or import new leads. By simply clicking this button right here, we will be able to start finding the leads using some of the filter or even importing a CSV file, LinkedIn import. But at this point, I'm going to use this filter to find one and use this keyword in profile. For instance, I'm going to look for a keyword in their profile LinkedIn account, such as manager. By applying this one, we'll be able to see here all of the result of those individuals who has an account in LinkedIn with that corresponding keyword, which is manager. And we could also select this one, and after selecting, just click this find emails and push 3 leads to campaign button, and click this button to proceed. And after that, we'll now be able to see that we have now successfully added the 3 leads in our campaign. And after that, we can now proceed by simply launching our campaign to proceed. However, as you can see, the status of our leads is currently enriching. So all we need to do is to wait for it to be completed, and after that, we can now simply launch our campaign. Now going back in our dashboard in here, you can also navigate these reports that will help you to analyze the performance of your campaigns, including metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Moving on the left side panel, you can also navigate this templates option that will allow you to build and save custom email templates that can be easily inserted into your campaigns. While under leads, it will show you some of your possible leads in here. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Lemlist. Thank you.